camp in Indang. So they're planning to have a worried camp there in Indang. So we will check the venue to be if it is suitable for our activity this family. So we'll transfer to a jeepney. What? We already ride the bus. Ay kuya. Kaya nga kami nag-aircon eh. Asa ba mo na? Jollibee where we will meet Justin Fader. Saan si Pade? Baka Justin is already eating the lunch. Ayun o! Justin Fader! How dare you? You told us in Jollibee but you're on the other side. So this is citizen ng Indang. Hello. So ito din Jollibee but you're in the other side. Tanungin mo muna. So ask. Wait lang. Saan ba? Ano bang barangay yun? Tambo. Ito just Tambo. Ay sorry. Ito pa. Siya po may alam niyan. Yan, so Justin know it well. Ano? You ride the tricycle? How much? Hidden cam. Doon ka sa likod. Doon ka talaga. Lalaki ka. Chinchap. Nakalimutan mo lalaki ka, Justin. Pader. Ay, kuya. Sana? 20 isa? We will ride inside. Punta rin si Justin. Parang you want me to ride at the back. Pumunta ko si Justin. Excited kasi siya.
Swimming na. Kala mo hindi nag-field camp last year eh. Sa field camp ka pa nga kay Pastor Jenko eh.
So at least you experience the water war.
Yes. Ito po alam ko to.
Usually the way niya kasi we're here. Sige, you take a picture. Welcome to Hidden Camp. Hidden. Let's see. We found it. Charot. So let's. Pa? Ano pa?
Environmental fee.
Magkano po?
10 pesos po ito. Parang kay Puerto.
Ito na, Justin.
Bali, 30 lang po.
Ito na, ito na. Ito na. Kuha kami yung ticket natin. So possibly that when we go here, we should pay all the campers with the environmental fee. Like we go in the mountain. Ganun daw yun eh.
600 na yung kapera nila.
Agad.
Kahit sa
So,
patay lang.
we will include it in our registration fee. The 10 pesos. Yeah, let's go. So this is Hidden Camp. So let's see if we can find it. And so, welcome to Hidden Camp. So, bumati muna tayo.
Hello, Mother Nature.
Hello po, Chincharo. Ay, nasan ba yung registration area? Let's go. Jenny, can you take some videos and pictures of the details? Ha? Kasi we need to, ano tawag doon? Ay, just can you go ahead of me?
Hello.
Pwede ka maglaba?
So, this is
The smell is giving.
Yes. It's giving nature vibes. Tayo iitim. Keep yourself hydrated. Mamaya na. For a break.
ay. So see how stiff it is. Hincharu. So for the campers that we will not follow the rules, that is the punishment. Go back and forth.
Ay, may ano sa
So after visiting the place here in Hidden Camp, we will visit the House of Justine here. So finally, we arrived home. So after a long journey for today and visiting the place that we will conduct our youth camp. So it's really tiring day because the weather is so hot. But then at least we will already home in this place. We can feel comfortable and not so hot. So thank you for being with us. Always remember, be with Jesus.